In today's video, I'll show you how to set a static front page and a separate blog page in WordPress. This setup is perfect if you want a professional home page while keeping your blog posts organized in one dedicated section. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Settings and then click on Reading. This is where you control how your homepage and blog are displayed. On the Reading Settings page, look for the section called Your Homepage Displays. By default, WordPress shows your latest posts, but we're going to change that. Select the option that says a static page. Once you do that, two drop-down menus will appear. The first one is for the home page. Click it and choose the page you want to use as your front page. This is usually a page named Home or any page designed to introduce your site. Next, use the Posts page drop-down to select the page you want to display your blog posts. Most people create a blank page called Blog and assign it here. After selecting both pages, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. Your website will now show a static home page with all blog posts displayed neatly on your chosen blog page. This simple setup improves navigation and gives your site a more polished look. Thanks for watching and happy website building!